Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing few tips how you can save mint for all through the year from your backyard, and also I will be sharing a very healthy tip which you can also use in your day-to-day life. Do not miss out our next video, which is going to be lunchbox or school tiffin box special and lot of tips to prepare for your school lunchbox. Quickly, let's get started. I have taken 2 bags of these beetroots. You can see nicely washed them, and I have added little water in it and I am going to boil it. I will boil it for 12 minutes in Instapot. If you are doing it in the cooker, nice and soft. If you want, at least 5 steam you have to give. Now you can see I am making beetroot and aloo curry. For that I am using that beetroot water which will be there down, right? That also I don't waste. I use that water also in cooking. Very healthy water. Do not discard it. Either make soup or use like this in making curry. So for our lunch, I made beetroot aloo salan, that is curry. I have added that is coconut I am adding. This recipe is already there on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Now I have come back in my backyard. You can see there are a lot of tomatoes, ripe ones. Every day if I go, at least 2 to 3 tomatoes will be there. Some days it will be 4 or 5 tomatoes. Like this, today also I got few tomatoes, few green chilies and some okra also I got. Today for dinner I will be preparing a salad which will be made from most of the veggies from our garden itself. The veggies I will be using for salad is nothing but tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce and even those beets which you saw just now. So tomatoes, 2 different types of tomatoes from our garden I will be using, and lettuce also from our garden only. See, today I got these many tomatoes, and also I will show you the lettuce. See this. This is the lettuce. That is butter lettuce they will say. I sowed even lettuce, that is romaine lettuce, and also iceberg lettuce also I sowed, but this came out so well, so I am sharing with you. See, very nice beautiful lettuce. So this is for dinner today. Along with this harvest, today again I will be harvesting mint. There is lot of mint growing fast, and the season is also going to come to an end. Now winter is fast approaching, so I am going to save lot of mint for all through the year. Today that is what I am going to share in this video. Today only half of the mint I am taking, and rest of the half I will give some gap for this mint is very strong one, that also I will use for making fresh chutney. And see, okra only one was mature, rest all I will wait for next week. Even if you get mint at very low price in the local market, you can use this recipe and save it. That's what I'm going to show today. Nicely wash the mint, and we will be draining it nicely and leaving it to dry overnight. Overnight means if the weather is hot, one day itself is more than enough, but here I needed to dry it for 2 days. See here, first I just put it on a small towel like this. Later on I shifted to a bigger towel. Nice separately you have to lay all the leaves overnight. If you leave one night is more than enough. Okay, let me first prepare the dinner today. In our house, mostly we will have dinner like salads with some kind of proteins or soups or these kind of dinner. So see the tomatoes, those red tomato, yellow tomato, everything is from the garden. Only cucumber I am using store-bought one. That yellow tomato name is heirloom taxi tomato. Very tasty and very juicy. Lot of pulp in it, and also it tastes very nice. I just can't explain you the exact taste. It looks like mango. Actually it is like mango only the flavor of mango is not there. You can feel that nice it is. So I use these yellow tomatoes, also along with that red tomatoes and lettuce from our garden. These red tomatoes were little bit hollow. They don't have much pulp in it like that of yellow tomato, or I am feeling it because yellow tomatoes were very full. These yellow tomatoes, that is heirloom taxi tomatoes, right? Those come very less, only two in number they come. Like that, Roma tomatoes, that is red ones, are in abundance. I have shown you also in my garden, red are lot in number, but these yellow tomatoes few only come. Now the salad is very much ready. Next, this is also an important tip I am sharing today. Like this, I bring beetroots in large number, large quantity. Most of the days I do this. I bring it, boil it and peel it and cut them into small pieces. Instantly when I boil, right, that day I will make surely I make beetroot curry either for paratha, roti or dosa, or for rice like beetroot aloo like that and all. I'll make different variety of curries. I have shared many times. Or even if you want, you can make beetroot poriyal, which is South Indian very special side dish also. But after making all those, directly I will peel all the beets and cut them into small pieces the same way how I'm showing, and fill up in the jar this way. This I will season it very nicely with pepper, salt, little bit of sugar, little bit of chili flakes, and finally with the vinegar. White vinegar is best for this beetroot. So these are the things I will be usually adding it and mixing it and keeping it in the fridge. So every day you can use this in your salad. Even without salad also, simply by the side of your rice or even by the side of paratha, just to add little bit salad on your table, that is very healthy, very good for your blood, that is hemoglobin level. It will just boost like anything. It's also a blood purifier, very good and very healthy way of feeding your family. So definitely try this recipe and see. Daily boiling it and serving it in your plate is very difficult, but if you do this way and keep it and add it in your diet or in your meal plan, it is very healthy and very time consuming, also very convenient for everybody to handle that bottle or the jar at any time. In our house, everybody like this beets so much that any time, even they feel hungry, they definitely go for a bowl of these beets as well. This Seekh recipe is already there on my channel. Previous video only I shared the recipe. You can see very easily you can add into any type of meal. Just simply by the side of tea also you can have this Seekh kebab, or like this you can cut and add in your salad. Just a drizzle of Thousand Island. Our dinner is very much ready. Now let's come to our mint. This mint is for one day I dried it. It is like this. I tried to do the mint powder, but it took a little longer time, so I left it for another day also. So after 2 nights I made the mint powder. Like this you have to keep in microwave resistant plate. You take it and keep for 1 minute plus half minute is very much done. So like this, see, the whole full tray of mint came in one full plate. Nice and crisp it is. I will just crush with my hands and make the mint powder. I will add even the mint which I prepared 2 days back. I prepared and saw how it works. It was very nice. Last week itself I tried this recipe. Now again see I am mixing that also, and I will make a nice mint powder. This mint powder I will be using all through the winter in many different recipes, or until the next summer comes it will be. Now this is only one batch I have done. Only half of the garden I have taken out the mint. Now again I will go and take some more mint and make. Before the winter comes, many times I will be trying this same and filling up the jar. You can use it in lemon juice, in raita, or for even flavoring the pulao. Different variety of things you can use this mint. Fresh spice into my kitchen, so I'm just keeping it right in front of the countertop, but not inside the spice rack. so that I can use multiple times and see whether the flavor is perfectly fine. Yes, the pulao was flavorful, nice mint flavor was prominent. Here in Canada, next week the school is going to start, and school preparation I will be sharing in my next video. Hope you all like this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.